Well, I mean, you mentioned a couple times now, like comfortable seating, bright lights, stuff like that. What kind of seating are you? Are you throwing in couches in there, or what are you doing? You got recliners?
We don't have recliners, but we have comfortable like couch setups. I mean, we have we started doing cocktail tables with stools. Customers like that. Yeah, so we've been adding that into the mix at our stores. That's actually been the most favorite is the high tops. You know, and
Kind of
it's
gives
just
a good vibe, I think.
well, I was just gonna say it's the vibe. You know,
Yeah.
it's the vibe, and we sell our story in the stores. Like, why? What's the benefit of coming here? You know, I go into so many laundromats. Like, this is what we do. We the other day we went into two. You know, I go in. There's like the TVs are off. There's no music playing. It's just, you know, if that's how you want to run your store, that's great. You come into ours. We have Atmosphere TV playing. We got good tunes playing. I mean, how much feedback do we get on the music?
People love the
It's
music.
crazy.
Which
Crazy.
one of you guys has the good taste in music? That's what I
Well,
want to know.
Brian has an unfair advantage.
I was in the radio business for 25 years, so I know what works and what doesn't work.
Okay.
So I will not share my music secrets.
Oh, I like
Trademark.
it.
That's like the secret sauce at McDonald's, man.
Yeah, that's right. He's got. All right. Well, now I'm gonna have to just go sit in your laundromat
There you
and
go.
write down every song that's
Right.
going in there. That's funny. I'll have to connect you up with my. Yeah, that's awesome. I love that. I'll just connect you up with my son who just started on his own Laundromat Resource Radio,
Nice.
which is pretty fun. So go check that out. laundromatresource.com/radio. It's mostly just replays of stuff right now, but he's got some ideas, so I'll be
Awesome.
interested to see if they play out.